Stylo G, the world is for you. The throne and the crown is there.
Yes, viewers and subscriber, this is DJ Lenny. Welcome back to my channel. Well, this video I'm gonna show you Jackie talking about things about dancehall, reggae music, and other music. He said that he's a music lover. He said he likes Stylo G style. He said no one sound like Stylo G. He's basically bigging up Stylo G, and many more artists like vybz, Kartel, Massacre. It's really an inspiring video. You know what I mean? It's just talking about when he was in prison and he decided that once he get out of prison, he's gonna buy some cars, buy everything that he need. And he's basically say that he's happy in life right now, and he's just focusing on music and not forcing anything. He'll get his Grammy one day, and they're just bigging up some artists that doing well, and artists that nominated for Grammy is just bigging up them. He giving Stylo G a special request, like he really likes Stylo G style, and he also tells Stylo G to go for the dancehall crown. Yeah, he say that no one sound like Stylo G, and Stylo G have his own style, and he should just be confident and focused and just continue to do music, and he's a good artist and stuff like that. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Hope you like the video and also share the video. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay guys? So I'm gonna play my intro right now, and after the intro, straight into the video, okay guys? I'm out. Hi viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is DJ Lenny Vivo, V to the I to the V to the O. I'm asking you to please like, comment, and share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Is it my turn?
It's all because of you. I never said and no. You came my way. Now my life is like a sunny day, and I love you so.
Stylo G, the world is for you. The throne and the crown is there. Believe in yourself. Nothing wrong for have confidence and self-esteem. Know what you want. Tell yourself, tell the universe. Because all of the people might believe in the universe. Law of attraction do works. I believe in the universe, and I ask the universe for everything I want. So Stylo G, let me tell you this. I can't tell you how much them and the girl is gonna put it down on my favorite song. Dumpling. Stylo G, I love your song. I say, oh, you're DJ in one kind of way. You have your own uniqueness. You have your own sound. You have your own thing. There's nobody who sound like Stylo G in the business. Youth, major care says, I'm in a bad mind. You're big already. Just continue up on the path. Don't drop off. Mr. So, I am one of the first reggae artists in my age group, in my category of artists. Because you know when Jack Bus, it was Jameson, Norrisman, Chris Sinti, Iwayne, Phantom Mojo, them come after me. And then Taros Riley, them come after me. Remy and Mego, them come after me. Christopher Martin come after me. Chronix, them come after me. Whole heap of youths come after me. But in my era, I'm one of the first youth that will come after Sizzler and Capitan. You know what I mean? So I'm come out of Berry School, and me, I'm one of the first young artists then. You know, I'm a big man now, but when I say young artist in my fields, you understand, in my fields of artists that would mash up like me, Egyptian, Jairus, blah blah blah. Me are the first man we nominate for Grammy before all of them youths. Me paved the way first. And I want to make this announcement so the fans can see, because you know sometimes if you not explain to the fans about history, and everybody are going to see it that way and get to see your story the way it should be told. So now I want you to know that I am still grateful. I never drop an album this year because I see the Grammy. I'm going to see enough artists that drop albums, so I'm going to give them space. So I'm going to prepare myself for next year. So now these songs are the songs that will be serving me for next year, also on the album to come. You see me? But I just want to say congrats to all the nominees and congrats to all the Mobo nominees. I've been nominated for Mobo before. I've been nominated for Soul Train Award before. But this time, my greatest nomination so far was the Grammy. And I'm grateful. And the next time I go to Grammys, I would love to win. You see me? So me ain't in a rush, because music now run gone away. So if you notice my people, I live my life, go river, dress nice, still live good, because I record the music long time. My juice now run out so early, so I have a whole heap of substance left, and we can live, me have all of my ties them. Most of the things that I want in my life, I'm not own a bill for my house, them, I'm not own a mortgage, so I can survive these rough times. But I know say, I know everybody can survive it, so we also have to set up a settings where we can also help some people at the Christmas here, for the ones that we don't have it. Because I don't celebrate Christmas, but it brings a warm feeling to my heart, you know, to the gathering of families and friends. So in the meantime, my people, you don't know me this a day I go and give thanks, and at the same time, make sure some have some new materials. I'm there a river every day I jump off, go see, go fishing and sing from the soul. You see, if the song, me not feel it from Yasso. Me not only sing from Yasso. When I sing, you see the strings I'm turn up your nose, so it's serious, but guess what? It's coming from more the art. You see me? And by now, I know that everybody will listen to Jack your music knows say, and from the art, we make heartfelt music. You see me? The other day, you see me I dance and I advertise Wizkid and Thames. I love Nigeria, I love Africa, I love Africa do. I'm so proud. Wizkid, you have the biggest album out. Congrats. Anyway, the fans of Wizkid were there on my page. Go and tell him that I said congrats, big album. And listen to one song on it named Essence. That's my favorite song. I have to play that song there every day. Because when you love music, you don't love your music alone. I love selective music. I listen to Billie Eilish and them people. I listen to a girl named Benny from New Zealand. You see me? I love Rotimi. You know what I mean? That song there. Yeah, man. You know, I love Dexter Dap. Yeah, man. Call me if big song. Them song that me a party, I'm out, and me ladies in my party. I have to listen to it. I listen to Cranium. Yeah, I can't tell them the artist I'm listening to. I love Stencia, Lighter, and them things. But you don't know the reggae side. When you come into the reggae, Sister Cape Town, Bob Marley, Chronics, Just Ryan, Kawaka Pyramid, them you that I might love that. Congrats to Skip Marley. Big song with her. And yes, you touch me because you feel, you sound like Bob Marley. You have the sound. As the youngest Marley, I want to tell you, respect. Big up yourself, because you are too much bad man in the business. We have to have love, brethren. We have to have love. You get me? Me no bad mind no artist. Me is the first young Rasta man. Because it was mostly elders that was getting Grammys. The first Grammy come to Jamaica was bring by Michael Rose and the Black Uru gang. Juna Reed them man that was the sitter. The Grammy. You see me? So in the days when I grew up, they used to call Michael Rose Grammy singer. You get me? So remember this. Reggae and singing. So no DJ and a dancehall artist not for cost for Grammy if them not get it, because the last dancehall artist that get Grammy was Beanie Man. Shabba Rankin them time the dancehall was more than now. Dancehall lose it. See, I just everybody come on, anybody and them grandmother come turn DJ and make money. But when you come on to singing, you have to sing with your heart and people can feel it. And if you can't sing, you go up on stage, people are gonna flap you. But anybody can go up on stage and make a lyrics. And as long as it's dramatic and have some humor about it, people will laugh. So you can get away easy. But those days, artists used to really chat lyrics. That not happen again. Only artists may say chat lyrics now, like Agent Sasko, Busy Signal, and Kartel them. But me I talk about man we can versatile in every angle. And seeing Governor and them youth with them storyline, them I like them things. You have a youth named Massacre. Big up yourself, youth. You are one good artist. I'm going to tell you this. I don't really link up with every artist, but guess what? I link up with every artist, because I'm clean with every artist. I'm an artist now have no beef. If an artist have just some have something, I must him in himself. But me now some no artist have me. Every artist good. So I got to everybody get them accolades. I have my one gamma plaque on my wall. I'm a grateful feat, and I'm sure that there will be more, because when I've not done, you know, our vocalists get better and better every day. Oh, I forgot Stylo G. People, let me tell you something. Let me take off my hat and rub my head. No, man, I need to wipe out my face before I talk about Stylo G. Right now, I can't tell you this. Stylo G, the world is for you. The throne and the crown is there. Believe in yourself. Nothing wrong for have. Confidence and self-esteem. Know what you want. Tell yourself, tell the universe. Because all of the people might believe in the universe. Law of attraction do works. I believe in the universe and I ask the universe for everything I want. So Stylo G, let me tell you this. I can't tell you how much them and the girl is gonna put it down. And my favorite song, Dumpling. Stylo G, I love your song. I say, oh, you DJ in one kind of way. You have your own uniqueness. You have your own sound. You have your own thing. There's nobody who sound like Stylo G in the business. Youth, me Jack here says, I'm in a bad mind. You're big already. Just continue up on the path. Don't drop off. Me say so. Who don't like it, take a dive. Because this is something on my life. I talk my mind. And my expression for those. Oh God, Popcorn a general, man. You know, Popcorn done earn in place. Popcorn seat up and a look out pedal on himself right now. So Popcorn out of the Stylo G, them I look them on and I hunt them food and I come in at them own. If you notice, Popcorn I'm a brother. People say man him look alike. You know, we used to part often, but I don't know we don't pass often again. But you know, things and times, the universe of a way. The universe have its way of putting things and times in place when it wants. So I'm working with the universe. Big respect, Popcorn. See, now big respect to Coffee too. Leela, see me, protege, big up on yourself. You understand? Yeah, if you don't get the Grammy this year or nomination, you take it next year. Last year, I put out the Royal Soldier. I put so much work in that album. When Mr. Say that nominate, me just go back to bed and take a rest. Because guess what? Me used to be a prisoner, me have faith. And me used to tell myself, so when me come out, the house them are gonna new, the car them are gonna new. So when me come out, it's always gonna be a nice time. If you build a house next year, the new things them will come out, you're gonna have the new smart house, and when the car them come out next year, if you know buy own a Benz this year, when I one next year, Benz are gonna upgrade. So don't worry yourself, people. Today for me, tomorrow is yours. So don't bad mind nobody. Just happy for everyone. Because and everybody got happy for we. You know, some man say Jackie and them bad mind me I heard from me. I don't know what made them bad mind, so I don't feel like say some people, I'm gonna tell you, they like you when they are jail. Me not depend that. I'm gonna take off me at and tell you this. For those of you out there who like me know them they are jail, I appreciate that, but I hope you like me when I come out from jail and decide to step over the rail. You get me? Because some people like you when you're there in jail, because them don't know what your intentions are, them don't know what kind of man you be when you come out, how you gotta dress nice, and how you gotta carry yourself. And some people like you when you try to dress like some 1960 Rasta. No man can reverse the past. So therefore, the past, you can't touch the past. You can't touch tomorrow, but you can touch today. You can look, you can touch, I can touch my brethren hand, you can touch the water, you can touch this tree, you could touch this here. But after today, it's memories. So only memories, the memories is the best thing that we have as human beings. Memories. To remember your best memories of your life. So today, live your life today. There is a man called Tolle. He writes a book called The Power of Now. Anybody believes in the power of now, that means you believe in the law of attraction, the power of the universe. The power of now says, do it now. Own the house, own it now. Own the car, don't loan it now. Need me caress, big up yourself. Your statement. But watch out, do it now. Respect to all the artists that I said it, and respect to Capitan, my virgin Jamieson, my virgin Norrisman, my virgin Phantom Moja, Anthony B. Iwayne. I wish some of them artists are just could just fight back and get themselves in the group, because people out there still wanting to hear them. Them not dead. Them not done. You understand? Me not done. Me sure that me just begun. Me just start sing. Listen to my vocal. After this song and the rest of the song them I have released. Just listen. And you will listen the levels of where me I go. And it's not for me to say I'm getting somewhere. It's for my fans to say, yeah, Jack, me like where you